This is question one, tactical exercise for a Mercantile fire. Question one reads, what actions would you take from the time that you receive the alarm to when you arrive on scene? I would use step one out of my incident action plan of incident command. The first one is the size up. The second one is the on location. The third one is the action plan. And the fourth one is the conditions, the actions, and the needs that when you report to the chief when he gets on location. I will be doing the size up for this one, which is step one in the incident command. With that, I'm thinking from what the information is given to me, I have a crew that is young and strong, with someone in experience. Coming across the MDT, it is stating that we have heavy smoke coming from a building on the north side of Main Street. Since we've done our pre-plan and we know that our territory, we know this is probably a building of ordinary construction, which we have to worry about partial collapse or a heavy fire and Texas contents as a business. I go down my Cole's wealth plan. I'm thinking about the construction, like I just mentioned, with the building and what size it could be. I worry about the exposures, which is part of the E in the Cole's wealth. I have a store next door. Either side, I got to worry about that. Not sure until I get on location. The time of day, it's at 4:30 in the afternoon. It's a summer day. Winds blowing 17 miles an hour. That is significant kind of wind that can increase and help a fire, or it can help our suppression by keeping the fire from spreading. Won't know until we get the location. The apparatus, right now we've got 4 engines and 2 ladders coming in. If I see heavy fire come location, I'm going to go ahead and consider to pull a 211 and make sure I have additional units for additional tasks that I will need. I mean, for utilities, helping out exposures, areas, and there might be, and with the L, the Cole's wealth, you have the life hazard, which there could be a pool company next door with all kinds of nasty chemicals that won't react well to water or with fire on it. Auxiliary equipment. This might be, if it's 17 miles per hour, I might be using our PPV to fight the wind if the wind's blowing the fire from that direction. Once I get on location, I'm going to take command. I'm going to go through a radio report, and then I will set up the commands of where I want to go with my units and why. And then the action plan will be the recos. It'll be the rescue. What's my exposures looking like? How do I confine it? What overhauls needed? Ventilation. What salvage will need to get these people back on their feet, because that's where we're here for, is our customers. And when the chief gets on location, I'll tell him my conditions, what actions I think need to happen, and the needs then I can go on my assignment. So, in summary, I would use the Cole's wealth for the size up of what's going on in the location. I'm worried about what my manpower looks like, my MDT. What should I expect to be ready for before I hit location? So thinking about the building, the conditions, the weather, the time of day. In summary, that's my final response.